All right, you guys, we're back again for another unboxing. This time I'm going to be unboxing the Aputure 60D. I learned about these from Scott Balkum. If you don't know who he is, go check out his channel over here. Scott is a really influential filmmaker in the Texas area, and he has a great blog. He's the one who turned me on to the KOMODO. He's the one who's turned me on to the lights, the 300X I'm using over here. And really been a good friend. So go check out his channel. Let me find what I do with the knife. What did I do with the knife? The knife. Which, if I knew actually what brand it was, I would tell you guys. So, anyways, let's get started with today's unboxing. So the 60D is a new light from Aputure. It is apparently, from what I saw on Scott's video, a pretty bright light. I got this one from Hot Rod Camera. Pretty cool people. They got it out here in 3 days with no express shipping costs or anything like that. So that's a good thing. Go check them out. I have no affiliation with them other than, again, Scott recommended them to me. So let's get on with this unboxing. So like I said, I have the 300X. It came in this really great case, and apparently Aputure is keeping the cases consistent. Looks a lot alike, just a smaller version. So I hate these things. Let's cut this thing off. And let's open up the case. So it has these zip, or these, can't say Velcro anymore. I forgot what the term is. I see them in gun magazines all the time. Hook and loop. That's right, hook and loop attachments. And again, we open it up. So here's the little light. Rumor has it that this thing is as bright as like a Godox 120, if not brighter. It has back here this little pigtail that will attach to either the included Sony, I forgot which type of batteries these are, the Sony MP batteries. So you can run the light with 2 Sony MP batteries. It has a menu system, it has intensity, and then it also has a built-in flood and spot. So you can go super wide or super narrow because it has a built-in Fresnel lens on it. So this is the light. It's super light. This is a light that's super light. Say that 10 times fast. It comes with a custom Bowens mount. So attach this to the front, and then you can attach a softbox or a can or whatever, beauty dish, whatever you want to attach to it. It also comes with, so this is the added Sony MP battery mount that you just put 2 of the batteries in. If I remember right from Scott's video, you have black and red. So if you just have one in the red, it'll run it at 50% black and red. Both 2 batteries, it'll run it on batteries for at full power. You have included little metal barn doors. What I like about these is they have these little flip out attachments, so you can actually flag off even more light than just your normal barn doors. That's kind of cool. And also comes with this power brick. So this will plug into that pigtail. And one thing I didn't mention was, so you have this little V mount right here that both the power brick and the Sony battery attachment just locks in, so it just sits there. And then you run your AC power, which is a basic computer type cable power cord. which I'm not gonna undo, but you guys get the gist of it. That then goes out to the wall socket. You also have what appears to be a D-tap, so you can run this into a V-mount battery. And let's see. In here, they give you a strap for the case and two Aputure stickers, or 4 Aputure stickers technically. One long logo and then one symbol, and then a how-to book. So there you guys go. We have the Aputure 60D. This light is actually going to replace for the Apocalypse Diaries, which is one of the shows I have on the Apocalypse Diaries channel. And for the Modern Ronin channel, the After the Battle Campfire, this light is going to become the fill light. So get rid of move the Godox 120X in my case, or 120, what is it, the 120 SW. In my case, that'll become the hair light, and this little, can't really see it. I have a little old school Fotodiox 500 LED panel that I always use my hair light. I just don't like the way it's really hard to work with. So we're upgrading lights. This is definitely sticking around, and I may get a third. What I love about Aputure is their Sidious app, which the more and more I get into Star Wars again, guys really need to rebrand your app. Darth Sidious is probably not a good look for you guys. But anyways, I digress. The Sidious app will allow me to control not only the 300X, not only the 60D, but these little MC lights. They are WWRGB, full color spectrum. In fact, I think I have one right here. Nope, that's, damn it. Where is it at? So we can go blue, or we can go white. They have built-in effects. So all of these things are cool, but they'll all work under one app. So I have at least 3 shows that I do. After the Battle Campfire, sadly right now it's just a zoom, so there's not a lot of lighting to it. It's just basically a 300X and the 500 LED panel, but I'm gonna change that and add the 60D and get rid of that 500 LED panel. But Apocalypse Diaries, I use 4 of these MCs, the 300X, the Godox, and the LED panel. Now that I have this, my key and fill will be the 300X and the 60D, which I can control on the app. What I can do is I can create a setup. So here's a scene Apocalypse Diaries. Then I can come over here to reviews and say that, and just turn the lights on and click that, and it will change everything. With these guys, with the MCs, it'll do the same thing. So I'm not trying to fanboy on Aputure, but they have the best control technology right now that's going to help me in the long run. On that note, you guys, thanks so much for watching. We're gonna have more unboxings and more reviews. What will be coming out soon will be a review on the Miki 50mm and a review on the 60D. And if we get a second one, we probably won't be doing an unboxing, but we'll talk about it more. All right, guys, take care. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.